Do you want to use your Amazon Echo Dot Max as a Bluetooth speaker with your iPhone or Android? Let's see how to connect them using Bluetooth. So first, very simple, just say, "Hey Alexa, open Bluetooth."
Searching. I don't see anything to connect. Check the device you'd like to use.
Alexa will say searching, and after that, doesn't matter what it says, your Max will enter Bluetooth pairing mode. Now just open the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone or Android, and under the list of available devices, the name will show up. And from this pairing pop-up, tap on pair. Now following the same exact way, you can pair it with your iPhone as well. So once connected, you can play music, watch videos, stream any audio from your phone. Now whenever you're done listening, just say, "Alexa, disconnect Bluetooth."
Now disconnected from Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra.
And it'll switch back to the normal Alexa mode. The next time you want to reconnect, simply say, "Alexa, connect to my phone." And if your phone's Bluetooth is on, the Echo Dot Max will reconnect automatically.
Now connected to iPhone 4.
And that's how simply you can connect your Max with any phone as a Bluetooth speaker. Thanks for your time.